Hi, this is Rachelle with Journal Life's Journey, and I'm going to share something that I ordered from Etsy. I think this is one of the first orders that I've placed for a handmade product from a creator. Their YouTube name is Cindy T, and on Etsy, they are the other paper girl. I'll put a link to everything in the description box below. I find the things that she creates very interesting. I've already taken a peek at this, but I wanted to come on and share it. So this is an envelope. I think it's a digital on tracing paper, and then it has this applique that I can remove and use. On the inside, it has all of these beautiful appliques. So it wasn't just a handmade purchase. It also comes with some things that I can use in my projects as well. So we get all of these in pink, my favorite color, or one of my favorite colors. Let's see, I might need to spread them out differently so you can see them better. And this one. All right, and this shop also has digitals as well. And I think I've purchased one or two of their digitals before. Okay, that's attached to something else. And it had this paper clip. There's more appliques. She had different packages available, but I like this one the best, so I grabbed it. And then it came with these dresses that you can use, and the hats to go with it. But you can use some of these appliques or whatever to embellish the dresses. See? Okay. And I think these are digitals that are available on the website or in their Etsy shop. So then also, oh, there's another applique I missed. So there's that. And then this is a clip. So you can use it to as a closure. But that is what that looks like. Okay. So then there was this, I don't know if I made a mess of this already, but there was this pouch included with this eyelash trim on a doll, bobbin, I guess. And this is what it looks like. All digitals, both sides done. It's clipped on with a bulb pin with a satin strap and more of the appliques. So not only do I have these pieces that I can use in other journals, I also have appliques. So win-win. Makes me kind of want to order another one. I need to go check the website and see if there are any left. Because I think I would like another color. Even though I really like that pink, I want to add to my stash. So we got that. The I guess it's a bag. So the handle on the bag is satin. It's the bag, envelope, and then this is a card with a thank you note in there. And this is a pocket that's already been embellished. Polka dots on the back. Okay. And this, I think, is a pocket too. Yes, that has been embellished. Very pretty. And then that is it. So let me put my thank you note in the pocket. I hope I don't forget that's in there. So that is everything that I got from the other paper girl. Again, links will be in the description box below. I think everything is beautiful. It gives me ideas of things I would like to make as well. Let me know what you think in the comments below. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up and I'll holler at y'all next time. Bye.